What's up guys, Jeff with Shock Surplus, and we got something special for you GM 1500 owners. We got a variety of ride height adjustable struts. And what is a ride height adjustable strut? Well, it's a strut with machine grooves in the body, and the machine grooves allow you to select different lift heights depending on which strut you go with. On these Eibachs, there are 4 different settings. Bottom setting is going to be your factory height setting. Your second setting is going to be about 0.6 to 0.8 inches of lift. Third setting is going to be about 1.6 to 1.8 inches of lift. And at the very top, that's going to get you 2.5 inches of lift. These, along with everything else on the table, is going to be about is going to have a 2-inch piston. These Eibachs specifically are steel body with a zinc coating, and these do have a lifetime warranty. That lifetime warranty will have you covered against any premature wearing, premature failing of this strut, but let's be honest, nothing's probably going to break on here. Price on these Eibachs is $139 each. Now we have the Bilstein 5100s. Everybody knows the Bilstein brand and who they are, what they do. This Bilstein 5100s are the ones that started that whole ride height adjustable movement. Now with the Bilsteins, you do have a little more options, and the most options out of all 3. You have 6 different settings. You got your factory height setting at the bottom, 0.5 at the second setting. Number 3 setting is going to be 1 inch. You got 1.5 inches, and then you got 2 inches, and then you have 2.5 inches of lift at the top. Just like the Eibachs, these are steel body with a 46 millimeter piston and zinc coated. And if you notice, between the 3, the Bilstein shaft is pretty thick and beefy. Bilstein shaft is a 18 millimeter shaft versus about 16 on both the Eibach and the Fox 2.0s. These Bilstein 5100s will run you $145 per side. Now we got the last up, we got the nice Fox 2.0 Performance series. These are a aluminum body strut with the 2-inch piston. On here you don't have as many options as the other 2. They kept it simple and gave you 3. You got factory height at the bottom, 1 inch in the middle, and a 2-inch lift at the top. These do have a 1-year warranty. So while they don't have the lifetime warranty of the other 2, these are benefited by being able to be fully rebuilt. As you can see on these struts, they do also have a lower mount, which is not included on the Bilsteins or the Eibachs. What Bilstein and Eibach want you to do, they want you to be reusing your lower mount from your lower spring mount from your OEM strut assemblies. You take apart your old struts, knock off that lower mount and slap those lower mounts on here, and then you put that your OEM spring and top mount on. Now, we have ran into customers in the past where they weren't able to remove their lower spring mount, whether it be because it's rusted on there and seized on the struts, or they replaced their struts with something that wasn't OEM and they were welded on. Fox went out and made that easy for you guys, so you don't have to worry about sourcing a mount elsewhere. Now, who are these all for? Well, if you do a lot of daily driving and you have a big focus on towing and hauling, the Bilstein and Eibachs are going to be your best bet. Now, if you do a lot of daily driving and not so much towing, but you do want a little bit better off-road performance, we tend to like the Fox 2.0s for that purpose. All 3 are going to ride really well on the street. Foxes just tended to be a little bit softer when towing, and Bilstein and Eibachs kind of a do-it-all. They will be great off-road shocks. They're not going to be as supportive as the Fox 2.0s in the larger bumps, but they're all going to be good options depending on what you do. If anything wasn't clear here, or if you guys have any more questions about which one is going to work better for you guys, give us a call, drop us a comment, or reach out to us, shocksurplus.com.